whining. Oh, they think they get shot at, bro. Damn, that shit sounds crazy, bro.
Never have either.
It was like the whole time, bro. Damn. I hope that camera picked that up because that shit was sounding crazy. No, that shit sounds so insane, bro. I've never heard it do that, bro.
Haven't either.
No, I kind of like that though. That shit sounds cool.
Yeah. When you go to the stage too, it'll be really loud.
Oh, it'll be fucking bang, 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 bang. Jack got gas, full tank now. We're sitting at a full tank of 194 miles to go. And we're averaging 11.5. That's fucking gnarly, dude. That ain't good, Chad. That ain't good. Nah, it's because I be just driving in town a lot, so like I'm not on the highway. If I was on the highway, I could average like 20 easy, but I don't be driving on the highway that much, so we can do a little purple stuff. There goes all my gas. For real. Got that T30, got that T20, and we're gonna take the headliner out. We're gonna try to install this Starlight kit. So we're gonna see how it goes. I've never done this before, but I watched some videos and I think I got it. So yeah, installing the Starlight kit. I don't know how long it's gonna take me, honestly. It's probably gonna take me like probably an hour to freaking take this thing out, figure it out. But and then I got 550 stars, so we gotta punch 400 or 550 holes. So that's probably gonna take a while. So I'll probably do a little bit tonight and then probably a little bit tomorrow and then hopefully maybe finish tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see. So I'll be a little busy with work this week too. So I don't know how I want to do that, but hopefully I'll get it done tomorrow. We could get the headliner back in the car. So let's get started. Let's do it. All right, y'all. So finally got it. My headliner out. Got it here in the room. Took a little while, and it was kind of difficult getting it out of there, just because you have to kind of maneuver it the right way to get it out the door. So I didn't really record any of that because it was dark outside. But yeah, it wasn't bad. Just taking a bunch of bolts out and then getting it out of there was the only thing, and unplugging all the wiring and stuff like that. So not too shabby, but yeah. Now it's just getting. I only got 550 stars, so got the kit right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but got the kit right here. I only did 550 stars, so it shouldn't be too bad. I'm gonna get it marked up here and kind of get that going. Yeah, so after a couple days of messing with this, I kind of had it like halfway done, and then I just decided to let my friend do it. So shout out to Mopar Chucky, man.